Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these loaded tater tots. So let's get started with the video. In a large iron skillet over medium heat, cook 4 slices of bacon. Or you could cook your bacon in the microwave. I just like cooking it on the stove sometimes. Once your bacon is cooked to your liking, I like mine super crispy, take it out of the pan. Next, cut up your bacon into small pieces. When you're finished, set your bacon to the side. Now cut up some green onions. When you're finished, set your green onions to the side. Next, air fry or bake some frozen tater tots. While your tater tots are cooking, we're going to make our cheese sauce. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. When your butter is melted, gradually add 2 tablespoons of flour. Then cook your flour and butter together for about 1 to 2 minutes. After you've done that, gradually add 1 cup of milk. Once your milk starts to become thick, add your seasonings. I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. After you've mixed in your seasonings, add 1 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese. Make sure to remove your sauce from the heat when you add your cheeses. Finish making your cheese sauce, set it to the side. Once your tater tots have finished cooking, you can start assembling your loaded tater tots. Place your tater tots on a plate and add your cheese sauce on top. Then add your bacon, sour cream, and green onions. And this is the finished result. These tater tots were delicious. They make a really good snack or appetizer. Plus, they're super easy to make. By the way, I didn't season my tater tots because the tater tots I get already come seasoned. However, I totally recommend seasoning your tater tots to your liking. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Everything I used for this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!